how to apply voucher or coupons in TikTok Shop. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you will be able to apply and use a voucher on your TikTok Shop on a specific product that you want to order. So first things first, let's select a product that we can order. So for example, this compression base layer over here. Let's say I want to order this. So I'm going to click on this buy with coupon over here. So this buy with coupon will be available depending on a specific product. Sometimes there will be an existing coupon that you have, so it will automatically be, as you can see, buy with coupon over here. So you can click on buy with coupon. So let's say black, and let's go with XL. Click on buy now, and over here, as you can see, we currently have the TikTok Shop discount enabled over here. This is where you will be able to see your existing coupons. So aside from the discount from the seller, which we are currently having right now, this is the one, or this is a coupon that we have, which is specifically from the seller or from the shop itself. There is a coupon from TikTok Shop itself as well, and this is where you will be able to find it under this TikTok Shop discount. So if you have a coupon, this is where you will be able to select it and apply it, just like with a seller discount over here. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.